Now see one more question based on the same property. If you see the statement, it is x minus 3 and it is x minus 1 with e to power x. Whenever e to power x is there, addition or subtraction is there, then definitely the derivative of the function is available. But sometimes it is observed directly, but sometimes it is by the adjustment. So let us see how can we do the adjustment of this function. See this one. It is x minus 3. It is x minus 1. X minus 1 minus 2 along with e to power x upon x minus 1 whole cube dx. This is the function. Now see, we break this 3 into the form of minus 1 and minus 2. So it is x minus 1 e to power x upon x minus 1 whole cube minus 2 into e to power x upon x minus 1 whole square along with dx. Now this x minus 1 get cancelled. What is left? E to power x upon x minus 1 whole square along with dx minus 2 e to power x upon x minus 1 whole cube dx. If you observe it carefully, 1 upon, this is their linear function. So if I think 1 upon x square, its derivative minus 2 upon x cube, its derivative is available. So I just again integrate this function only, and this is your algebraic function. First function as it is, integration of second minus derivative of first d by dx of x minus 1 to power minus 2. This power will be transferred, minus 2. Integration of second, whatever the result you get, again go for integration. Minus 2 e to power x upon x minus 1 whole cube dx. Now see this one, 1 upon x minus 1 square e to power x, integration e to power x minus, when you take derivative, this minus will be transferred, minus minus plus 2, it is x minus 1 to power minus 3 and derivative of x 1. Integration of e to power x along with dx whole integration minus 2 e to power x upon x minus 1 whole cube along with dx. Now it is 1 upon x minus 1 square e to power x plus 2 e to power x upon x minus 1 whole cube dx. Integration minus 2 times e to power x minus 1 whole cube dx, again integration. If you observe, it is the positive term, it is the negative term. So this positive and this negative get cancelled. What is left? Only 1 upon x minus 1 whole square e to power x plus c. This is called as the constant of integration. Now you understand about the concept, and it is the last concept of this exercise, and after that you are able to complete the exercise 7.6. Now one more important thing regarding to integration from 7.1 to 7.7, because 7.7 is already done by us. So from 7.1 to 7.7 the main part of integration is over. After that, whatever the exercise you do, that is the repetitions of 7.1 to 7.7. Means all the concept which is used by you from 7.1 to 7.7 are used by us again and again. So if you want to excel in integration, then remember each and every concept of 7.1 to 7.7 you must know about it, because it is an important concepts. And in integration, it is the basic part of the integration. Especially when you go with the chapter 9, the complete integration same is used by you in the chapter 9, and the chapter 9 will be completely finished within the 3 days only, because if you know the integration, and if you don't know the integration, then that chapter is not possible to finish in the 1 week. So ensure that during these days you have to compare or complete the exercise from 7.1 to 7.7.